worth $1,000,000. Yeah, that's the deal, it's how I feel. I like men in trucks. Calloused hands make it the man. He's one of the easy loving, bread in the oven, hard-working brand. So if you can't change a tire, boy, you're slap out of luck. Take the wheel, it's how I feel. I like men in trucks. Yeah, calloused hands make it the man. He's one of the easy loving, bread in the oven, no one above him, hard-working brand. So get yourself a flatbed, boy, and see what you pick up. Yeah, keep it real, it's how I feel. I like men in trucks. Yeah, that's a deal, it's how I feel. I like men in trucks.